This is my 1972 19-foot Mako, and fuel cell finally cracked and needs replacing. The deck is also starting to rot out. Hard to tell on the pictures, but it's soft. I love this boat. It's a lot of fun. So it's time to fix her up. That engine was a lot of fun to work on over the years too, but it'll probably need an upgrade. Well, that was the easy part. What a mess. I had previously done some damage to get that tank empty, so it didn't continue. What it did is it cracked somewhere in the coffin box here and was leaking down into the hull, which is why I cut it out back here to fix it and empty it. It also was holding a lot of water in the coffin box also. So next, we'll get this mess out of here and pull the cover. All right, time to get this floor out. Nasty. Oh, no wonder it smells. Ooh. These spiders. Wow. Still sopping wet after sitting inside the shop for at least since it's June, I think. It's been in here out of the rain. It's been in the sun to dry and just sopping wet at the front where there was no air circulation. Back is pretty good and dry, but nothing. Whew. What a mess that is. Oh, mud over the years. Looks like mud, silt, and mold. That's where I cut the filler open so I could siphon out as much as I could. There was no way to make that turn from the fill. Wow. Just a mess. But we'll get her cleaned up. I don't know if this tank has ever been replaced before since 1972. I'm gonna guess not. I know this lid has come off before, but either way, this is that old open cell foam, just saturated. Well, I can't imagine how much extra this boat probably weighs. That's another reason I'm gonna get into it. The water does not come out of that. You gotta take the foam out. Everywhere. Even back here where I exposed it, still nasty. Sopping wet everywhere. Probably the only easy piece that comes out. Well, that tank came out a lot easier than I expected. I guess it's really not that big for a 19-foot boat, so went pretty good. I think it's probably either leaking from that corrosion or from this one. There could be more I haven't found yet, but that's another good spot right there. Stinks like fuel, but came right out. That probably won't come right out. Okay, you gotta see this mess. Of course, it smells like fuel. There are several holes in here, but I don't know why. Seems like just a bad idea. Trap water. Thanks for watching. If you have a similar project, please comment below. I really enjoy learning as I go, so there'll probably be plenty of mistakes along the way. Also, I plan to document this project all the way to a complete restoration. Again, thanks and see you on the next one.